Are you wondering how in the world your child's school records are going to help you win your child custody case? Well, my name is Patrick Slaughter, and I'm a family law attorney with LaFevor and Slaughter, and I'll tell you that school records are some of the most beneficial evidence you can get to help win your child's case. Why is that? Well, predominantly because school records show sort of a snapshot of your child's life day in, day out while they're going to school. And they provide all kinds of information, such as, is the child getting to school on time? I've used records many times to document that the child was always tardy when the other parent had the child, which meant that the other parent wasn't responsible enough to get the child to school on time. We've also been able to use child absences. If the absences especially are unexcused and they're all occurring on someone else's time, that can be used to show that, one, you're a more responsible parent because you're getting the child to school on time, but also the effect that that's having on the child. Child's grades, for instance, they will show how well a child is doing and how well a child is connected to a school, or what kind of continuity of life a child has considering their educational environment is certainly something that a judge is going to consider. So if a child's getting straight A's, it's unlikely a judge is going to yank him out of that school and throw him somewhere else. If the child's failing every grade, well, then a judge may take that under consideration. You'll also get information about progress reports where teachers will make comments about how well the student is or isn't doing, or how certain things in their lives are impacting their ability to perform academically. Any type of special education situation, if your child has autism or anything of those sorts, there's going to be records and evaluations there. And those records are part of your child's school records, which can be admitted into court. So all of these school records can show you're responsible getting the children to school on time. You're responsible making sure they go to school, that you're on top of them trying to make sure they're getting the best grades they're capable of getting. It'll even show the degree to which they're participating in extracurricular activities and how well they're doing. All this information is great for a judge because it gives the judge an idea of who's doing what to promote the welfare and the benefit of the child educationally, which is one of the best interest factors that a judge has to consider when making a child custody decision. Now, if this seems like you're not sure how to interpret these records, or you'd like someone maybe to help give you some other ideas, feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd be happy to do that. Generally, we do this on a day-to-day basis. We're fairly used to it, so we might be able to offer you some ideas you hadn't thought about. But go get those records, read through every single page, look at every comment, because I think you're going to find that it's going to be a gold mine for your child custody case.